What's good, Svfam? I hope you having a good day. Okay, anyways, today is Vlogmas day 10. And it's going to be a good video today. I'm on lunch break right now. I work at a bank now. About to get some food. I don't know. I might eat Chick-fil-A. I don't know. But either way, I love y'all. Alright, so you already know New York street tacos, blah, blah, blah. I'm going to go ahead and get started because y'all have been slacking on this video since the beginning. So, I'm going to go ahead and get the ingredients out. Which my baby was the size of that. I think my baby is the size of this onion right now. So can you imagine just a little large onion? Look, this is the size of our baby.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
It's about to start.
Huh? It's already started. Something shawarma spice blend. Then we got some Cholula, which, what is this?
Cholula.
I know, but. And then we got sour cream and sour cream. So, now that I got all the ingredients out, oh yeah, and I guess it's a little piece of garlic too. What it's gonna look like, so I'm gonna go ahead and get cutting.
Is it gonna look like that?
Hopefully. So I'm gonna go ahead and get cutting. Done with the food. So now I'm about to make our plate and everything else. I guess should come down here, but yeah. Alright, y'all. This is the finished product. That one's mine. And that one's his. Doesn't quite look like the picture.
I think it is.
But
Looks better than the picture.
I think it, yeah, it still looks delicious. So I gotta be extra. Okay. It's good.
I know. Thank you.
Definitely worth the wait. A lot of flavor. Alright. Well, yeah. I was gonna do a sit down talk video, but I really don't feel like doing that because this video took a good little minute. So I'm gonna eat this, enjoy time with my boo bear, and then edit this video, and then go to sleep. So, if you like the vibe, then subscribe. If you like this video, don't forget to bump that thumbs up. I love y'all. Be blessed. Ooh, see ya next video. Bye. Much love.
No.